That's how it should look. These are all my other designs. You can find out how to fold them and dye them right on YouTube under Damn Dies. Have fun. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do an Angry Bird tie-dye. First thing I do is I soak the shirt in the solution for the proper amount of time that comes with your tie-dye package with your dyes. Fold the shirt in half after I wring it out. It's a little damp yet. Use a fabric marker, and then I draw out the face of the Angry Bird. He's got a beak. And then like that. He's got his eyes. I'll do the eyes first. Fold them in half, and in half again. And I put one of these little rubber bands around it. I may end up sticking a couple because that's got to be white, and I don't want all the dye coming in from the face into the eye. So I want the bed to be nice and tight. Okay, and then I got the nose, which is a yellow, and so I tried doing that with a yellow rubber band. Okay, now this part here is a pinkish color. Which goes right underneath his nose. Then the rest is red. You can do the outside as whatever colors you want. So now I fan fold, following that line, making that line straight. Even though it's curved, it'll end up being straight right here. I'll make sure that one's for the red one. Keeping that stuff up, I'll stick a couple more of these smaller rubber bands on here. These ones don't have to be so tight. Stick another one on the white eyeball so it don't get saturated with different colors. Like I said, I don't know if I said it already, but I have a YouTube channel, and it's called Damn Dies. You go there and subscribe to it. Whenever I post something new, you'll be able to see it. I'm stick this in a bag, and I'll take it outside and dye it. I got a reason why I stick it in a bag is because I do several different shirts at once and different styles, and I'll know what they are when I open the bag up. Okay, I'm outside now. This is the Angry Bird. If you remember right, this is the eyeballs. We gotta keep that white. This is the beak, so it's yellow. This is gonna be pink, and that's gonna be a dark red. I'm gonna go with yellow first. I like doing this outside, that way I don't get my house all messy. And then we'll go with the red. And also I have a garden hose in case I get stuff on my hands, or I don't want to contaminate things. And then we'll go with some pink. This is for his belly. Then we had some purples on the outside of it, and turquoise. And then we'll roll it over and do some purple. You can do any colors you want down here. Okay, and that's how you dye a Angry Bird. We'll let that dry and open it up and spray this off, and we'll do a different one. That's how you do an Angry Bird. Okay, this is the Angry Bird. I'm back inside again. I got to put the eyes and the eyebrows on it. So I take a piece of cardboard that came with the shirts and stick it in there. That way it don't bleed to both sides. Use a fabric marker. Get them at Walmart or Hobby Lobby or craft store. And I just do all the eyebrows on there. And his eye. You end up doing this to the other side. And right there's your Angry Bird. And that's how you do the Angry Bird.